In this video, we're gonna show you step by step how to create green and gold natural stone from epoxy. I actually do multiple techniques. I'm gonna show you thin spider veins. I'm gonna show you a spray paint vein. I'm gonna granify it right here using alcohol and spray paint, some additives, some know-how. You can mimic Mother Nature following this video, and you can remodel your kitchen countertops for 250 bucks. Guys, stay tuned, enjoy the video.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
So the first step that we're gonna do is sand with 220 grit. We'll wipe the dust, we'll clean that off, and we're ready to mix the epoxy. This can go over your old existing countertops like laminate, cultured marble, natural stone, corian. You can even go over concrete. This is a versatile product designed for countertops, kitchens, bathrooms, and more. What I'm going to teach right now is just how to mix the color, pour it in a bucket, pour it out, and let gravity do its thing. It really flows out. Because this is self-leveling, it lays out like glass. Guys, do you like this video? Do you know that we have more color kits? This is our green and gold color kit. We have others listed in the description below. Whatever your taste, whatever your decor, you can match it using Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy and some spray paint. So what I do first is as I pour that bucket out, I'm just going to come back and get any voids that I may have missed. I'm going to use that bucket just to get everything out on the surface and then decide where I want more effects. Alright guys, as this levels out, it's really going to take shape. At first, it looks a little bit muted, but as those colors start to separate, it really looks natural. It moves just like Mother Nature does because rock is created in liquid form. This is going to set up and it's going to look gorgeous. All right, guys, I showed you how to up-level your project a little bit by just dragging some veins with a broken popsicle stick, by adding some paint and creating a paint vein. Now I'm going to do some granification effects. I'm just going to use some clear 91% isopropyl alcohol and a little bit of black spray paint. I'll spray that spray paint down and then I'll fracture it with the alcohol. It's a really fun effect that looks fantastic. Let's do it over here where it's kind of plain. And you can see by first fogging it with spray paint and then fracturing it with the alcohol, it opens it up like little pebbles of stone. So let's just connect these two sections right there a little bit, and that's what you get. Question of the day. Guys, did you like the granite effect that I did in this section? That was simple. Let me know in the comment section. Should I have done more of this effect, or do you like the combination the way it is? So, leave it the way it is, or more granification. Guys, did you know that if you buy the spray paint and epoxy together, you save a trip, you save some money, and you have everything in the same box that you need to do your project?
Hey guys, do you have old tabletops, countertops, desktops, and more that need to be renewed? Save time and money with the epoxy and spray paint kit we designed for this exact color. Just follow the link to our website. Here we have the countertop kit that will save you thousands on your next remodel. You won't believe the result you'll get even in your first project. Scroll to the comment section and you'll find the link pinned as the first comment. On our site, you'll get video archives of this project as well as instructions on how to do your clear coat like a pro. All for free while supplies last.
Tomorrow I'm going to come back with our clear coat. Have you seen how we apply our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy as a clear coat to lock in durability and depth? Guys, check that video out. Visit our website anytime. And remember, until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video. Guys, I love your comments. We got a really good comment here from T-Bone. Thank you, T-Bone. It says, if I'm doing my attached countertop, how can I pick that up and make gravity work? That's a great question. Some of these effects wouldn't work the same if you're doing your countertops in place that are already installed. You know, you can go over your existing countertops. So what do? We made a video on that. It's called Zero Tilt, meaning you can't tilt it. We teach you how to get these complex looking results simply. We're gonna teach you in that video, Zero Tilt, how to do it like a pro. Now you know.
Be sure and let us know what you think of this piece. Would you prefer it with more grandification? Or do you think it looks great the way it is? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the other pieces that we made using only spray paint and epoxy. We'll see you there, and don't forget, you got this.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Did you guys just hear that song? Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. Johnnie F, you are the man. This guy's created custom music for us. On multiple occasions, I actually said, Johnnie, we need something in a lower tempo to end our videos with. Listen to it again.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Do you like that? I totally love it. He also did an Epoxy Your Brain song. That was a rock song geared towards the 1980s hair bands. Listen to this one. So guys, I totally love this guy. Let me know what you think. If you need something made for your brand, your company, your brick and mortar store, your e-commerce store, your YouTube channel, maybe you like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, I don't know. Where do you want to play custom music showcasing what your brand is all about? Check out Johnnie F. He's the man, and there's the link. We'll see you there.